dispatcher when we have operating sessions. This shot right here where you're, oops, dead points on the frog. Missouri Ruralist, the local Rural Electric Cooperative magazine had a feature article on us about 2 years ago, and that shot right there, looking at where that truck's working on the High Line, was one of the featured photos.
Yeah, I've been to your website.
Oh, okay, very good. Okay, now we're coming up the hill towards Quail Ridge, the highest point on our railroad. If you, Dad says you can, stand on the stool and look down at Potter's Lake there as they're going over. Sure. We'll use the belt carton for a step if you want. That's really pretty interesting thing because if you take the light right, you see the reflection of the train on the water. Really?